Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the diet plan and the workout routine that allowed me to shed pounds in 2024. Last year, I got a lot of questions from people asking me how I was able to lose weight and maintain my weight. And this is the actual first time that I am able to answer this question. You see, I'm the kind of person that my body weight really depends on my state of mind. In 2020, when I was going through COVID, the breakup of a situationship and some other things, I lost so much weight that I actually think I was a size 0. But the previous year, when I was in a good, happy place, I was a size 12. Last year, I sat down and I talked to myself and I said, I do not want my body weight to be determined by the state of my mind. I decided that I was going to work out frequently, I was going to eat regularly, and I was going to incorporate healthy choices into my life so that my body weight wasn't going to be affected by my state of mind. I'm happy to say that everything that I have done has worked out for me. This video is divided into two parts: fitness and food. And in each part, I'm going to be sharing the exact things I did in 2024 that allowed me to lose weight. I'm also going to be sharing the things I plan to do in 2025, not to continue losing weight, but to maintain my current weight, but also to build strength, to build muscle, and just to get hotter and sexier. I work out 5 times a week. 3 times out of the week, I'm doing yoga, power yoga, or yoga inspired by Pilates. And the remaining 2 times a week, I'm doing glute and lower body workouts. I've been doing yoga for about 10 years at this point, and it's what got me into moving my body and being more aware of my body and the things it can do. I follow yoga videos from 2 main channels, Yoga with Adrian and Boho Beautiful Yoga. Yoga with Adrian, I have been following for the longest time. Is actually the reason why I am the yogi that I am today. Boho Beautiful Yoga, I just started following about like 2 years-ish, and their stuff is way more intermediate / advanced. Also, there's some Pilates in there, and Pilates is not for the faint of heart. Yoga has allowed me to be flexible, has allowed me to be calmer, and has just made me a better person, to be honest. I highly recommend yoga to everyone, especially women with PCOS, as it's been scientifically proven to help us. I started doing lower body and glute exercises about 2-ish years ago. I was inspired by 2 main things: the girlies on TikTok that are always posting their routines, and my ex-boyfriend. My ex was obsessed with my body. My ex is still obsessed with my body, and I don't blame him. I mean, look at me. When we broke up, I decided that I wanted to be so damn hot that he continues loving and talking about my body but has no access to it. I know it sounds very toxic, and actually not sounds, it is a bit toxic, but it's what got me started in the beginning. And now that actually isn't my main motivation anymore. Once I started working out and seeing the results, the motivation of getting my ex jealous, it just flew out the window. And I just looked at myself and I was like, damn, this is me. This is what I could look like. The motivation turned from him to me. I started to motivate myself. I want to wake up every morning and work out so I can look good for myself. I want to walk by my mirrors and be screaming, damn, I don't brag enough. The other fitness thing that I have been doing, which when I say it to be like, huh? But like when you think about it, makes sense, is going to raves. When I go to a rave, I'm dancing for about 4 to 5 hours. And my friends, that's a great amount of cardio. If I had an Apple Watch or one of those fitness trackers, you guys would see how much calories I actually lose from going to raves every night. I have the Apple Fitness thing on my phone, and I always close my rings every night I'm at a rave. I see that as my form of cardio because I actually don't do much cardio in my day-to-day life, and I'm going to continue doing that because it's a great form of cardio, plus I have so much fun. This year I want to move from doing workouts in my home to doing workouts in the gym. I've already gone 2 times this month thanks to my friends' guest passes, but I am planning on joining maybe next month or in a month or so. I don't know. I'm taking it slow. At the gym, I'm doing the workouts I do at home there so that it's a bit more familiar and I'm not like overwhelmed by the people and the machines. If you want to see what my at-home glute and lower body routine looks like, I have a YouTube short posted on my channel. You can just go and watch it there. Once I join the gym proper, I plan to incorporate back, arm, and core, and just work out the rest of my body. Another fitness thing I want to incorporate into my routine this year is pole dancing. Whenever I see strippers and pole dancers do their thing, do the tricks, I'm always in awe. You have to have a certain amount of strength, agility, and grace to be able to pull those moves off and make it look like it's nothing. I promise you, it's not nothing. I did aerial dancing for a little bit and my core was different. I could feel the abs coming through. Pole dancing has negative connotations, but you know me, I do not care. It's great for your arms, it's great for your core, it's great for your body, and I want to be sexy and fit. I can't wait to do pole workout, to be able to do like a full routine to a song on a pole. Like that is one of my creative dreams this year, next year. I really want to be able to choreograph and do a full pole routine. Fitness wise, I just have two goals. I want to be hot AF for the summer, and I want to be even hotter on my 35th birthday. I have a loose goal weight size, which is size 8. I think right now I'm sitting at a 10. I know with consistency and continued dedication, I will definitely get there, and I can't wait for you guys to see me pop out in the tiniest bikini looking super hot. I love to cook, I love to eat, and abs are made in the kitchen. So to me, food is actually an equally important part of my fitness and weight goals. I also have PCOS, which means I have intense sugar cravings. Because of this, I've had to learn to build myself a meal plan that caters to those cravings, but is healthy and keeps me full. I don't count calories, I don't look at the scale, I don't look at labels, but I do follow one simple rule for myself. Every plate I eat has to have a portion of protein, veggies, and carbs. And in the order they come in is how much is needed on the plate. So I need my plates to have a majority of carbs. Sometimes I like my meal to be half carbs, quarter or more than a quarter of veggies, and then the remaining little portion can be fats, carbs, sugar, anything else there. I lean towards a protein-rich diet because of my PCOS. It keeps us fuller for longer and it helps to satiate those crazy sugar cravings. If you've watched my channel for so long, you'll know that my protein of choice is chicken. I love chicken and I eat it in the many ways that it is possible. For veggies, it's always a bell pepper mix. I love bell peppers. I'm not really into greens and leafy greens, which I should change. I should incorporate some spinach and some broccoli. Apart from bell peppers, I also do carrots, I also do mushrooms. Carbs for me are mostly potatoes, pasta, and rice. Potatoes are actually really good for you if you're trying to lose weight. They keep you fuller for longer, and I love them. I love potatoes. I think potatoes are the ultimate bad bitch. I think potatoes are better than yam. When it comes to rice, I really don't eat that much rice. I'm just like here or there rice. Pasta, oh my god, I love pasta. But because I have PCOS, I don't eat regular pasta, I eat wheat pasta. The extra fiber, the extra minerals, all the extra stuff is really good for people like me. Now, this doesn't stop me from craving sugar. It helps to reduce the cravings, but it doesn't stop it. What I simply do is I have it. I don't have it when I'm craving it though. I have it in my day-to-day life. The thing I have realized with cravings is that I crave sugar when I haven't had it for a really long time. What I found for me that works is incorporating sugar into my day-to-day life. Sugar with tea, a chocolate bar at the end of the day, banana bread at the end of the work week. All those little things help to let my body know that, hey, sugar isn't the enemy. You can have it, but not too much of it. It also helps with the cravings because my body doesn't crave sugar that crazy when I've already had it in a regular day-to-day thing. Really, when it comes to food, it's all about portion control. There's so much Nigerian food that is actually good and healthy for you. You just have to eat at regular portions. I haven't drank soda in 8-9 years. I don't drink Coke, Fanta, Sprite, all of that. I don't. I drink it in cocktails, but for me to go and buy a bottle of Coke outside, not me. I eat out, not a lot, but when I do eat out, I do my best to keep it to a healthy-ish range. I know I could order a burger, but instead of ordering a burger, maybe I'll just order Chinese food, which is rice and a sauce, which is healthier than ordering a big ass burger. This year, I actually do not want to change too much regarding my diet. The thing I really want to do is incorporate more leafy greens, spinach, broccoli, etc. I think I've actually reached a good place when it comes to food in my life. Really want to cook more. If only the gods of Eco Disco will allow it. And that is a breakdown of my fitness and food routine that has allowed me to lose weight. What you really need is consistency and dedication. Those two things will help you see the results that you really want to see. If you have any questions, please go below into the comment section and ask me questions. I have videos of some of my routines on my channel. My glute routine is on my shorts. My yoga routine, I've posted that a couple of times on shorts as well. Please go check out my shorts. You'll see a lot of stuff there. Please don't forget to lift the cursor to the subscribe button so that you can join my family here on YouTube. Also, do not forget to meal prep your food to the notification bell so that you always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to love your body, love yourself, and love everything about you, no matter what weight you are, to the like button so to tell YouTube that this video is awesome and you recommend it to other people as well. Do not forget to be awesome. I love you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.